We're here at the job management module for the TriOpt software, and I'm just showing you a little bit around in this in the options of the job management software. One is this simple data edit for areas for jobs, and I'm just choosing them a job 8018. And what comes up is the basic job information from the customer project, homeowner information, to all the areas, and there's a unlimited amount of areas can be added to a job, and either it can be edited here in all these very sophisticated um, user interface, or otherwise in a very simple manner by just changing, for example, the material to the demo material, what we have set up just before in the warehousing overview. And once satisfied, just save that and move on to the next job for editing and so on. And all these jobs are organized again in a hierarchy, and of course are here available in this job tracking list, which is one of the main lists what we are working with here in the job management module. And pulling in the job number 8018, we are seeing there are two areas which we just saw before in this simple data edit. Um, with all the information. Also, we see here the demo material has just changed to the material what we have entered there. A very important tool is also the direct reservation, and we are going again to job number 8018, and we find out there are a couple of finished products or something like supplies are already reserved, and we just want to reserve a slab for this given job because the homeowner was just here and has selected a certain job, and we're adding this here to the list, and I'm able now to print barcode for these selected items here. If there's a barcode print attached to just an additional sticker, which is mainly important for supplies just coming in, and otherwise just saving this information to reservation is now in the system just with the simple click what we have been creating. So meaning what does it mean that this reservation is in the system? So we are going into warehousing and just verifying the demo material, zooming down to slab number 3005, and we see that the slab just got a blue color. Blue means reserved, and we just double check that by opening the slab and see here the job number 8018 from customer A. Reynolds Incorporation has been reserved. Um, Additionally, this reservation is it's a nice tool if it's reserved outside in the software, but um, mainly we are focusing that this production doesn't, or this slab doesn't get produced wrong. So we're verifying what happens with this reservation in the production module. So if I want to import a slab picture, and I'm importing the 3005, and I'm just importing that to a random area here and validating that. So it tells me immediately if it's the wrong area for the slab. It tells me it's the wrong material, it has um, a wrong thickness, and also none of the selected areas has been assigned to slab number 3005. Um, the other way around, if I would choose now a job, if I'm searching for job number 8018 and adding this area and just choosing a wrong slab, and I'm validating that, and I'm just giving also red light and saying, hey, slab number 3005 is reserved for that job, so don't use slab number 306. So only if I'm using 305 and validating that, I'm getting a green light in production. So what happens is now the office is not anymore just an office entering data. It's really influencing production, really helping production to keep errors due to wrong documents, due to last minute changes, due to to documents that have been printed twice or three times with wrong information. So on. It's tracking down these errors. It's helping to keep these errors low, and also last minute changes are in the system immediately and also down at the production hall. So coming back to the job management. I'm just simulating here. Let's say if somebody else in the warehousing, sorry, in the network is working with some drawings and it's just sending these drawings to your computer because you're the guy responsible for managing all the work papers, and without doing anything this pops up, so just anybody in the network can communicate kind of with your tribe once this is open. So we're getting this picture in for this job, so this is just sent by someone else in the network to your computer, and we are seeing, actually we are involved in all this job management and the production, so we know what this drawing is for, and we're just saying that maybe here we just want to add some lines to identify here a double line, a red line, and also we can do here something which is just maybe something that your CAD program is not capable of doing it, like coloring something in red, like um, adding some text information, like high value customer from boss, please do personal quality checks. And well, this is a little bit small. Let's change the font to 30. Apply that, place that. Oh, maybe at the top right here, so that's really visible to everyone who is printing that out. So we've finished with editing that. So we're going back and actually just printing that information. And what's happening while we're printing, or actually I'm just putting that on a preview, so you're seeing that. We are seeing here the slab number 305 that we have been reserving before uh, directly on this printout, so it's available immediately without doing anything here in the printout, and all that what we have been drawing here, and also this information, everything is right away here, and once we're closing or printing that, this information is all saved in TriOpt. So whoever comes back and needs to reprint this information exactly with the modification what we did on the drawing is available immediately. So summarizing up this job management tool, it's a kind of a very easy module in itself, really managing the jobs in a very easy manner, and all easy means time saving manner, but is influencing all your production processes, all your purchasing processes, all the warehousing by this reservation, by these automatic calculations and so on. So I'm just showing you one final thing how we are influencing this with the minimum amount is I'm just choosing the demo material, and we are seeing here that the out of the job management we are requiring 2 slabs for production, and 7 are still on stock, so actually there's no need to purchase some more of the demo material right now, but uh, with this one the job is influencing purchasing by giving them hints on when to purchase material on time. Job management is also giving the production module hints on if the right slab is really produced, and by itself it's also a very strong module by its analysis capabilities, executive summaries of statistic data, project statistics, the current job list just for a list of what's due right now, and of course all the job tracking information, what is the main list as we saw before, and as a final thing the production list, so what has been produced last month, or also what has been uh, produced for a certain job number, like the job number 8018, and we see this demo material right away has been produced. I guess it was just a couple of days ago, or maybe a couple of hours ago, when we have been producing it with this material, really helping you to track down all the workflow, all the data manipulation that has been happening in your company with the data of Tribe, with the data of slabs, jobs and purchasing. So really one of these models that is holding TriOpt together and adding a lot of valuable tools to the TriOpt system.